Hey friends, we are here to do a cash stuffing. Hi, how are you? What's up? Let me know what's going on. It is Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving, and it's like 10 o'clock at night. I never film this late, but I wanted to get this done because we will be with family all day tomorrow. Friday, I'm going shopping, and I honestly typically don't come down to my office on the weekends too much, so I wanted to make sure that I had everything already done. So that's what we're doing today. Here's the change that we're working with. We are going to check and see what kind of rollover cash we have, and that's going to go towards savings challenges. Let's see, this money here, I have money in all directions. This folded money is the money for the cash stuffing. This money back here is still money left over from Christmas shopping. I actually need to pull out probably the rest of the cash from my Christmas savings because it's almost Black Friday, and so I'm going to take that shopping. And then this is the rollover. So let's put the lid on the change jar and let's count the rollover cash and see what we're working with here today. Let's see. I have a receipt here. I'm going to scan that with Fetch. If you're not using Fetch, you are missing out on free money. Literally free money. What you do is you scan any receipt from literally anywhere. Like it could be from the doctor's office. You get points for that receipt, and then your points translate into gift cards. You get to choose the gift cards. It is absolutely 100% free. I think I might have a referral link down below if you're interested in joining. If you use a referral link, not necessarily mine, like just someone's, it doesn't have to be mine, I believe you get bonus points, and then whoever's referral link you use, they get bonus points also. But as I said, completely 100% free, and especially now when people are likely going to be doing a lot of shopping, you're going to have a lot of receipts, and it's an easy way to earn free stuff. I mean, literally free. So check out Fetch and also Rakuten. I think I might have a referral link down below for that too. I don't know, maybe. But if you do online shopping, if you're not using Rakuten, again, you're missing out on literally free money. That is just like a toolbar you download. You go through Rakuten and you get cash back. Only certain stores have it, but it's just awesome. So check out Fetch and Rakuten, and those are two free, easy ways to get some extra money. Okay, so rollover cash, 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 96, $97. I did not plan on going on a tangent about Rakuten and Fetch, but there we go. So that 95, or how much, 97, that's going to go towards savings challenges. So I just set that aside. Okay, so let's see what we're working with today. This is my Bright Undated Budget Planner. It is the spiral bound version. This is available in my Etsy shop. I do have a couple left. The regular version is available on Amazon. It's always linked below in my description along with my other books, and it's linked in my Amazon storefront as well. If you're looking for a new planner for the new year, this one is full color. And I have a full flip through of this if you're interested in seeing exactly what kind of pages you get with it. I do have a video on that, so if you're interested, there you go. Okay. Santa's holding our spot for us here today, and let's see what we're doing. We're not really doing anything much today. Nothing too exciting. So we are just going to put $150 towards the wallet like usual, and then we're doing one sinking fund. Wow, this video is going to be super duper short. So let's grab the cash and give it a quick count. This should actually be 160 because I can only take 20s out of the ATM. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60. So 160, which actually means I need to make change, and I don't have enough for change. Okay, so let's see what I can do in some of these binders here as far as change goes, because I need two 10s or a 10 and 2 5s or something. So, hold please. All right, so I have 2 10s here in holidays, so I'm gonna take those out and then put in a 20, and it's fine that one of them is a prop 10 because one of those 10s actually goes towards savings challenges anyway, and so I usually use prop money for my savings challenges anyway. So I'm going to take that $10, put it off to the side here. Again, that is going to go towards challenges, and this should be $150. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 50, 150. So I'm going to pop that in the wallet. And actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I don't even think I'm going to stuff this $270 into my vacay sinking fund, and here's why. I have a balance on my credit card. I booked, I don't know, a couple things, the internet package. I can't even remember at this time, but I have a balance on my credit card that needs to be paid. So instead of just stuffing this into my sinking fund envelope, I'm just going to go ahead and make this as a payment to that credit card to bring that balance down a little bit. And then, yeah, there's no sense putting it in the envelope just to immediately take it out. So that is what I'm going to do with that. So we're actually already done. We're literally done already. That was probably the shortest cash stuffing I have ever done. Are you guys watching the Hallmark Christmas movies yet? Because I have my schedules right here and I have been watching them. I am not caught up. I don't have all that time to be watching every single one. I'm going to try to get them all in by Christmas. If you're watching them, let me know. Okay, my friends, that is it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sticking with me till the end. I appreciate all your support. Truly, I do. I hope you had a fantastic Thanksgiving. Look out for the Savings Challenge video next. Oh, also, there is a Black Friday sale on. Let's see, today is Wednesday. You will be seeing this video on Saturday. So the Black Friday sale is still on. It's going until December 1st. So you do still have time to pick up anything if you're interested in anything in my Etsy shop. The sale is on, and again, it goes till December 1st. So I wanted to let you all know about that. That's it, my friends. Once again, just a humongous thank you, and I hope you have an amazing weekend, and I love you so much, and I will see you in the next one.